Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Check out this blast from the past in the form of a 1974 Chevrolet Nova Custom. It's powered by a 350. It's an automatic car. While mostly unmolested, it has a newer paint job in its original color of midnight blue metallic. Beautiful white vinyl top, just like it rolled off the factory floor. And this car has 30,000 actual miles. Once again, it hasn't moved, it hasn't been tampered with other than some paint. Beautiful Chevy rallies on all fours. Those are drum brakes, but power drum brakes on all four as well. Power steering, AC. Plenty of power with the 350. She does purr like a kitten. It is straight, side to side, top and bottom. Bright work is fantastic, front and back. The trim is fantastic. And it is a beautiful drive as well. Has the matching blue interior. Please hang on to the end of the video where I will have stills of the interior, as well as the engine and trunk and undercarriage pictures so you can get a good look at it. Even has an 8-track tape player for all of your hits from back in '74. For those of you who like originality, this is your car. For those of you who just like cool cars, this could be another one. Go to cruisinclassicsinc.com. Check out this car and all the others that we have in stock. Or give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out in any way that we can from start to finish. Very cool 74 Chevrolet Nova Custom. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.